Happykids TV.
Hey everybody, it's Maria from Happykids, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Play-Doh mouse. I don't know about you, but I think mice look disgusting. But when they're in like a cartoon version or drawn, I think they look adorable. Who's your favorite kind of mouse? I'll let you know at the end. But first, here's what you need to get started. You need blue, pink, dark blue, and white. Let's get started. First, I'm going to start off with the mouse's body, which can be any color you want, but today I'm using teal. The ears, the nose, and the tail using pink. I'm going to be making the cute little eyes, which I'm going to be making blue, just like mine. Cute little mouse. Remember how earlier I told you I would tell you my favorite mouse was? Well, my favorite mouse is Remy from Ratatouille because we both love to cook. Who's your favorite mouse? Wow, they're cool too. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this as much as I enjoyed making it. Be sure to come back to see what I'm creating next time here on Happykids. See you later.
To watch more videos, please subscribe.